Okay, you there? We're going. This is the cover to the indoor air handler furnace. Okay, so this is the gas piping going to the furnace. And it'd been nice if this valve was replaced, but we're okay there. But this, anytime you replace the furnace, you're supposed to replace the connector. And they didn't, because this is the old gray style. This isn't right no matter what. This hasn't been right in years. So we got the improper connector that wasn't replaced. This is supposed to be stubbed out. You're supposed to have a sediment trap, a gas sediment trap. What else is going on with the furnace? This is the air filter. It's dirty. 16 by 25 by 1. When you have an updraft, current energy codes, when you have an updraft system like this is the plenum, this is the updraft. When you have an updraft system like this, it's supposed to be lined with a galvanized pan, and it's not. It's not. Your air filter's dirty. I think I said that. But here's the kicker right here. That's your air return. This is your furnace. If you have carbon monoxide that spills out of here, this door is not sealed. Carbon monoxide spills out of here, gets sucked into the return air grill, and then gets distributed all throughout the house. Like a cluster bomb. Carbon monoxide cluster bomb. Just like that. Okay. The electrical coming in, it's not supposed to come in like that. I'm glad we got a grounding wire, but look, we do not have a ground on the receptacle. So that grounding wire does not bond the gas. The gas system of the house is not bonded electrically. Usually we get it here. It's not the best way to do it, but usually I can at least qualify it and say, well, bonding at the furnace. I can't say that. I can't say that. You're not supposed to have unprotected electric conductors entering a metal cabinet like this without a connector. You see this box? This box should have been taken off and put over here, because these junctions aren't supposed to be just hanging out like this. How did you go? Where are you? Where are you? That comes in here, goes in around here, goes up. I guess they're under here somewhere. All of a sudden you're supposed to have a box here, and it's also supposed to be junctions so that you can disconnect this while it's all... None of this was done right. The gas line wasn't done right. The electrical wasn't done right. The junction box was not done right. What else did we learn? We learned that the door's not insulated, and because it's not insulated, it's now too close to the return air plenum. We learned that the return air plenum doesn't have a pan. What else did we learn? Okay. This is about 2 years old. The manufacturer about 2 years old. It's all installed at the same time. This is about 1 year old. Probably sat in a shelf somewhere. This is not a year's worth of use, runtime on it. This is your evaporator coil. We're supposed to have a P-trap here. We don't have one. This is supposed to be insulated. Doesn't look like it. No, it's not insulated. All right. What's here? Hole. Really? Yeah, look at that hole right there. What is that? The secondary drain line? Oh, secondary drain line. Why do you have that? In case this one gets clogged, this is a little higher, see? And then the water comes out of that. Well, where does it go? Right here, on your floor, everywhere. Oh, it goes everywhere. It's not supposed to. You're supposed to have a secondary drain line that goes to an obvious location, but not always. You can have a safety float switch. Safety switch. You can have a switch right there, and when water gets in that, it turns the system off and keeps water from going everywhere. And when the air conditioner doesn't work, then you know you got a problem. You get the technician out. This would even work. Just to plug this and put a float switch here. Of course, it'd be nice if it was grounded. So then, the evaporator coil drains out. You already saw this. No, you didn't. You're going to see it in the next video. I like redundancy. I'm a redundant guy. This is where the primary drain comes out. And the flower bed has edging. So the water just stays next to the house. It's okay that it comes outside. It's better if it goes into a drain, but it's acceptable. It goes to a place that is not a nuisance. Not a nuisance. This is expansive clay soil. Expands and contracts about 3 inches. This stays wet, that stays dry. Is that going to stress out your foundation? I bet so. Has it done it yet? I don't know. I haven't measured it yet.